How does that happen? It feels unfair, right? I've been there and I know that frustration. But what if I told you the problem isn't that you're not studying hard enough? The problem is you're not studying smart enough. Welcome to the only video you'll ever need to completely transform the way you study and finally get the top scores you deserve. Forget everything you've been told about hard work is the only key to success. Hard work is important, but it's useless if it's not applied in the right direction. It's like trying to chop down a tree with a blunt axe. You can swing it all day, get exhausted, but the tree won't fall. But what if you took just 15 minutes